guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Well, today on my 30-day knife challenge, this is day 2, and I wanted to show you my Kershaw Skyline 1760. Now, this knife is discontinued, but it's still awesome. Back in 2020, when the crap hit the fan, basically, they've discontinued a lot of these. But this thing is an old Kershaw that you used to be able to get like at, I think, Walmart or Amazon or whatnot. But anyway, take a look at it. Let's see if you can see that in the lighting. Oh my goodness, such a great knife. And I haven't carried this in so long. So, some specs about this knife. It's made in the USA. You actually got a knife made in the USA. Back when you could get it, I think you can get it for 50 or 60 bucks, which phenomenal. It's a great little EDC or everyday carry knife. It used to have, it's a flipper, so it doesn't have any springs or anything, but see how it has that, like this little point right here? You could take your finger and just flip it out with one hand. Now it locks, it has a liner lock, or the lining of the handle comes out and locks it in place. And it's a decently strong thing. You don't want to beat on it, but it's really nice lockup and all that. Like it has, I don't know if it has like any brass liners or anything like that, but it has G10 scales. G10 is like a special, it's a special material that is really grippy, but it's not like warm, or it's weird. It's not like warm or anything. It works really well for knife material. A lot of your high-end pocket knives that are newly made are made with that G10 material, and it works really, really well. The blade steel is a stainless steel Scanvic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not 100% sure exactly what the specs of this is. You'll have to go look it up yourself. One thing I know about it and like about it is this thing stays sharp and it's easy to sharpen. So this stainless steel worked really good. Pocket clip has always been good and nice and tight. The weight on this is super light. This can fit right in your pocket and you don't even know it. Again, probably would, if I carried this more, the wife would wash it in the, I'd forget it in my pants and the wife would wash it. Again, something this thing has that I do like, it has that straight blade. A lot of knives come out and they've got that, they've got that serrated, like, part right here. And then, like, this part is the flat grinder or the straight blade. I hate those knives. Women, friends, guys, if you're new to knives, like, don't get those knives, because most of your cutting edge that you use is like here to here. Like, that's actually what you use. So if that's the serrated part, I feel like you're not getting your money's worth. So just be aware of that. But guys, again, wanted to show you my Kershaw Skyline 1760. Awesome little blade. This is day 2 of the 30-day knife challenge. This is T-Carp signing out. Hang out with me. We got a new one tomorrow. See y'all.